Yes. Yes, so. I'll play music some more before I start my topic. Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. If today na your first day, don't forget to subscribe and touch the notification bell. Make me with you be one family. So I get topic wetin dey bother me since then when I say I wan come talk. So I don't fit talk am before because some people no know say they no be God. People when they use pikin dey laugh person for internet today. If you open Facebook, you open YouTube, the set of people when they laugh people wey no born na no be small. Why you as a woman even sef dey laugh your fellow woman say she no go fit born? You no be God. Sarah born for how many age? Una no see Sarah for Bible. No be only Sarah. People dey hold later they'll come born. Everybody no be the same. Again, if person no even still born, wetin be the problem? Wetin be the problem? Person wey no get pikin go know why. Some people wey no born today, some people carry only one pikin come. Sometimes doctor go say they will do operation. I get person like that. They do operation, they come say, okay, this fibro e join to e womb. If they don't cut the womb comot, the person go die. And they have to send am, they cut the woman womb. Today no get pikin. That kind of person you go laugh am. Wetin you dey expect? You dey expect make e commit suicide? You dey expect make e die? Before you use pikin laugh person, make you use your own self think am. Say, hey, I wish I did this position. How I go feel? For me, if I see person wey no born me, I can never laugh the person. I dey feel the pain. I dey feel am. If I see you say you no get pikin, I no dey ask you say, my sister, you don born? Or maybe me with you na friend. I never see pikin with you once, but I no fit ask you. You know why? I don't know whether na that one dey make your pillow dey wet morning till night for tears. Pikin na everybody own. Person wey no born, e born. Na everybody get pikin. Example na me, I be mother. My children are for everybody. You don't use children to laugh anybody. Very painful something. People wey no born, you know as they feel bad, so they commit suicide. So they will say they won't die. People will come rescue them. Those of una when they do pikin dey laugh person, mona take time. Mona take time. You are not God. Some people out of carelessness, you understand, oppression, maybe not be even abortion. They take comot their womb. Some people maybe two different things. Some people na carelessness to swallow different medicine. They no wan get belle. All those kind of things. It go make the womb get problem. Some people no carry pikin come life. Some people na only one baby they carry come life. Some people sickness make doctor comot their womb. Why you use pikin laugh person? You feel say na you fine pass, na make God give you? No. Abi na you only pass? Na make God give you pikin? No. Person wey never born, you don born. Na for you to give the person encouragement. So now when they laugh person with pikin, mona stop am. Mona stop am. You are not God. If you die today, you when you say you born, they don't go put your pikin for your grave. Never. Na only you wan dey go. Na only you wan dey go meet God that day evil self. If you die, they won't bury you. Na only you wan. Mother laughing people with pikin. Muna stop. Those one are nonsense. Oyibo, they cry. Say they no get pikin too. You when you born, now for you to encourage them. Black still they cry. See they no born. You when you born, now for you to encourage people when no born. No be for you to make them commit suicide. I beg. If you get that evil heart, you don't do that one before. Just pray for God may forgive you. And those people when you use pikin laugh, pray for them. You go meet them, may they forgive you. People when they, and again people when they insult another people's children, una stop. Children, they don't know anything. Some people, if you just talk to them, they'll just throw curse, go meet your children. All this one are devil hearts. Na evil spirits, evil character. So this my video. Now for me to come tell una say, no laugh anybody because they don't get pikin. And no throw curse. Meet people when you get pikin children. People when they curse people children, muna take time. And people when they laugh, people when no, but muna take time. Hey Barry, this and this and that. You dey laugh woman of 40 years say you know the shame na Barry. Barry abi. You don't know say you go fit born tomorrow. Eh? My God never, you know they sleep in slumber. My God never die. My God na the God when they answer prayer anytime, any day. So no dey laugh anybody. Woman when they 50 years go fit still born. I see that they laugh people when even they 40, 30 something years. For why? For why? It's not too late for una to tell that woman when pikin heart congrats. And I pray through my video, una go hear my voice. Muna no dey laugh person again because say no born. Congratulations to everybody. Say they born pikin. Person will not get opportunity to born for this life. Give her encouragement. Bye bye. I love all of you. My name is Rita. Ciao.